G'day guys, this is how to set up the Beast Stretcher tent. So here I have the inner or the bed and so forth. So all we do is unfold it, nice and simple. The middle bar, the middle upright locks into place. There's a button here, it does it automatically. Open these out, nice and simple. And up we go, very simple. These slide out, they have a button on each side that lock into place. That's your foot end. Doesn't matter if you do the foot end or whatever first, once you get caught up. And she's up, pretty simple. So that's that bit. The fly. Fly over. Right way. What you've got on the underside of the fly, there's 3 Velcros on each pole. So we just Velcro that on the pole to the fly onto the pole. 1, 2, alright, you can't find it. So that's that end, go to the other end. Same thing. Velcros are generally under the guy ropes, so it gives a guy rope added string. And there's the third one going. Here it is. Alright, and then your fly is on. All you got to do then, put down your 4 corners basically to start with. Just roughly put them in for now. Rocky ground. Basically around here. And she's up. So the next thing you do is you put your awnings up the way you would like them up. So up to you what you do, 1 up, 1 down, all up, all around, your call. Very simple to set up. Let me take you through how to pack it down. Even easier. Just reverse the steps. Unpeg. Nice and simple. Undo your Velcro. Okay, press the buttons to lower the frame. In, make sure your doors are undone. Makes folding it up much easier and less tension on fabric. Work out which side has the button. There's a red button on the other side, it's over here. Do this so you can see it. Got this red button as such, which allows it to fold in half. Buttons on the side here for these legs to push and fold flat. No pinch fingers on these, and then all we do is nice and easy. Velcro here to hold it together, as such. Get the bag. Nice big heavy duty bag, envelope style, 600D fabric. It's always a bit hard in the wind. easy. Don't be lazy, like most of us are. Just stuff it in. Be as neat and tidy as you want to be. See, there's plenty of room in there. I haven't even tried. As such, got the poles and pegs. All the poles chained together, so you've got loose sections. Very simple. And there you go. How to set up, pack up the beast.